Welcome to Vision IDs. In this video, we will show you how to use CardPresso to link to an Excel spreadsheet so that you can print a batch of name badges on the 2UP name badge card stock. After creating your badge design template in CardPresso, create an Excel spreadsheet with 2 columns. The first column is for names to go on the top badge, and the second column is for names to go on the bottom badge. Now connect the Excel spreadsheet to your CardPresso template. Link the text field on the top badge to the first column in the spreadsheet, and then link the text field on the bottom badge to the second column in the spreadsheet. Now you can browse through your records to see them change on the name badge design.